Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me take this. That's okay. Yes. Oh, okay. So I get to taste and I'll give you the feedback shortly. Mm, mm. This is very nice. The vegetable is still crunchy.
Yes.
The rice is cooked, soft. I can perceive and taste the ginger and garlic. It's all pronounced. Hmm. Wow. The chicken has really sucked in the
The
juice
juice,
from the
yes.
gravy. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank
Very
you
nice.
very much,
Thank you too.
Nafisa, a young mother and enthusiast
Yes.
that you are.
Yes.
We're very grateful for featuring on the program, and of course for teaching myself and my esteemed viewer how to prepare this sumptuous northern delicacy.
You're most welcome. It's my pleasure.
Hmm.